Hello and welcome to the introduction of our CS125 final project app. My partner, Justin Cow, and I have created a running calculator app that was inspired by the fact that we both ran cross country and track in high school, and we thought that this app would be useful for both runners and coaches. So just a quick overview of what the app does. We have a start button here. Once you go into the start button, it enters this activity where you have to enter 3 different inputs, which is the goal pace of what someone would want to run in minutes per and seconds, the distance that the user ran, and the amount of time that it took that user to run that distance. So just a quick example, we have a hypothetical goal pace of, let's say, 7 minutes, and this person ran 2 miles. And they ran 2 miles in, let's say, 16 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay. So when you press calculate, it shows you the average mile pace, as you can see, and the average speed in miles per hour during that run. As you can also tell, it plays a booing sound if you didn't meet your goal pace, and it would play a cheering sound if you did meet your goal pace. So once you press restart, it brings you back to the start of the app, and you can put in new inputs. So in the future, we were thinking that it would be useful to apply these to different events in track, such as the 100, 200, 400, 800, and so forth. And we would use this same logic in order to determine how fast that person would run that distance given the specific pace that we have calculated through the distance and the time that it took to run that distance.
Edge cases. So let's say we added an extra 0 there, or if we didn't even put in all the values, what we would get is an error for the rest of the section. So let's fill those in as 3 miles, and let's say we go slower this time, so 22 minutes. Here, there'd be an error for the incorrect format on the top. So if we fix that up, then that would work okay. Let's say we forgot a semicolon, then another error would show up. And similar parameters are in place to check user error for both the goal pace and the total time. So right here, now you can see that this should work. And there's a booming sound now. Same thing, everything is displayed. So we did use a GitHub repository for this. It is right here. It's under Jen's name, JO829. We've made like 29 commits and I just committed like the last hour. Any challenges that we had working on this app? We didn't have anything else too difficult. There's obviously some figuring out between like moving between each page and the format of the text, or the size of the image, the constraints for the UI. Even the Android feature for the media player that would play sound, or the text color, but we figured everything else for the most part. Both of us equally put in work for the project. The way we came up with this app was we both run cross country and track, so we thought it'd be pretty useful to have an app that could take in arbitrary values like 3.5 miles in 19 minutes and 30 seconds and get exact paces, and if we're meeting our pace. So we thought that'd be pretty useful. Like I said, we collaborated through GitHub, and for future improvement, we're thinking we can put in a specific modes like 100, 200, 400, 800, 1600, and so on for track distances, so you don't have to put them in yourself. It's already all preset. I would like to confirm that this was an original idea, and I think that's it.